Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the terminal supports contactless NFC payments and that Apple Pay is set up on your device. Once the terminal is awake, enter or confirm the sale amount so the machine is listening for a tap. Make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is unlocked and that Face ID or Touch ID is ready. This speeds authorization and avoids repeated attempts. You do this now because initiating the amount first prevents timeouts and ensures the terminal and device negotiate securely. Now hold your iPhone or Apple Watch close to the terminal's contactless symbol, about 1 to 2 inches away, and keep it steady until you see a response. Once you feel the device or see the prompt, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. If using Apple Watch, double-click the side button. Then wait. The terminal will display processing and either approve or ask to retry. You do this carefully because proximity and a stable hold ensure the NFC handshake completes without interruption. After approval, follow the terminal prompts to accept receipt or tap done. This finalizes the transaction and prints or sends the receipt. If the payment is declined, check your Apple Wallet card status, network connectivity, and that the merchant entered the correct total, then try again or select another card. If NFC fails repeatedly, restart your phone and the terminal to clear temporary glitches, and if problems persist, contact merchant support. This sequence isolates device, terminal, and account issues efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.